The ocean depths hold countless mysteries. These vast, uncharted territories are home to creatures both known and unknown, and they have fascinated humans for centuries. From the smallest bioluminescent organisms to the largest marine mammals, the ocean is a realm of wonder and intrigue. One of the most captivating mysteries is the legend of the Megalodon, a gigantic prehistoric shark that once ruled the seas. This behemoth, estimated to be up to 60 feet long, dwarfs even the largest great white sharks of today. Imagine a predator so powerful that it could crush a whale's bones with a single bite. This colossal predator has captured imaginations for centuries. Its sheer size and power have made it a subject of countless stories, documentaries, and even movies. But what do we really know about this ancient giant? How did it live? And more intriguingly, could it still be lurking in the depths today? Stories and rumors swirl about its continued existence in the deepest parts of the ocean. Some claim to have seen it, while others believe it's just a myth. The idea of a massive ancient predator still roaming the oceans is both terrifying and fascinating. But how much of this is based on scientific evidence and how much is fueled by our love for mystery and the unknown? But how much of this is truth and how much is fueled by myth? Scientists have been on a quest to uncover the reality behind the Megalodon. Through deep-sea explorations and advanced technology, they have been able to gather more information about this elusive creature. Yet, the question remains, is the Megalodon truly extinct, or could it still be hiding in the unexplored corners of our oceans? This essay dives deep into the world of Megalodon. We will examine the fossil records, analyze the scientific data, and explore the various theories that surround this legendary shark. From its diet and hunting strategies to its possible reasons for extinction, we will leave no stone unturned in our quest for knowledge. We will explore the scientific evidence and separate fact from fiction. By understanding the Megalodon's past, we can gain insights into the evolution of marine predators and the dynamics of ancient ocean ecosystems. This journey will not only shed light on the Megalodon but also on the mysteries of the deep sea itself. Prepare yourself for a journey into the depths of paleontology and oceanography. We will travel through time, from the ancient seas where the Megalodon once thrived, to the modern-day efforts to uncover its secrets. This exploration will take us to the frontiers of science and beyond. Let's uncover the truth behind the legendary Megalodon. Join us as we dive into the depths of history and science to reveal the story of one of the most formidable predators to have ever existed. The adventure awaits. Megalodon, meaning big tooth, was a truly massive shark. This prehistoric giant ruled the oceans with an iron fin, striking fear into the hearts of all marine creatures. Its name alone evokes a sense of awe and terror, a fitting moniker for such a formidable predator. Imagine a creature 3 times longer than a great white shark. The great white, often considered the most fearsome shark today, pales in comparison to the sheer size and power of the Megalodon. While a great white can grow up to 20 feet, the Megalodon dwarfed it, reaching lengths of up to 60 feet. Growing up to 60 feet long, Megalodon roamed the oceans between 23 to 3.6 million years ago. This period, known as the Cenozoic era, was a time of significant change and evolution in marine life. The Megalodon thrived in these ancient seas, dominating the food chain with its unparalleled size and strength. Its diet consisted mainly of large marine mammals. These included whales, dolphins, and even giant sea turtles. The Megalodon was an apex predator, and its hunting prowess was unmatched. It had a voracious appetite and required a substantial amount of food to sustain its massive body. Whales, dolphins, and even giant sea turtles were on the menu. The Megalodon's hunting strategy was both brutal and efficient. It would use its powerful jaws to deliver a devastating bite, often targeting the soft underbelly of its prey. Once immobilized, the prey would be torn apart and consumed. Megalodon's teeth, some exceeding 7 inches in length, were perfectly designed for crushing bones and tearing flesh. These teeth were serrated, allowing the Megalodon to slice through the thick hides of its prey with ease. Fossilized teeth are often the only remnants we find today, serving as a testament to the shark's fearsome capabilities. This apex predator had no natural enemies. In its time, the Megalodon was the undisputed ruler of the seas. Its dominance was unchallenged, and it reigned supreme over all other marine life. The sheer size and power of the Megalodon ensured that it remained at the top of the food chain. It was the undisputed king of its time. The Megalodon's reign was marked by its ability to instill fear and command respect. Its presence alone was enough to deter potential threats, and its hunting skills ensured that it remained the apex predator. But even kings must meet their end. Despite its dominance, the Megalodon eventually faced extinction. The reasons for its disappearance are still debated among scientists, but it is believed that changes in the environment and competition for food played significant roles. What happened to this ruler of the prehistoric seas? The mystery of the Megalodon's extinction continues to intrigue researchers and enthusiasts alike. As we uncover more fossils and learn more about the ancient oceans, we may one day solve the puzzle of what led to the downfall of this magnificent predator. The story of Megalodon's disappearance is written in stone, or rather, the lack of it. To understand why scientists are certain of Megalodon's extinction, we must examine the evidence hidden within the Earth itself. Fossils, the preserved remains of ancient life, provide a window into the past. They tell us which creatures lived, where they lived, and when they vanished. By studying these clues, we can piece together the history of life on Earth, including the reign and eventual fall of the mighty Megalodon. The fossil record shows a clear pattern. The most recent Megalodon fossils are from millions of years ago. No trace of this giant shark exists in more recent layers of rock. This absence of recent fossils is a crucial piece of the puzzle. If Megalodon were still alive today, we would find evidence of its existence. Teeth, bones, or even bite marks on other animals would betray its presence. However, no such evidence exists. The fossil record is clear. Megalodon vanished from our planet long ago. The ocean is vast and deep, but it is not entirely unexplored. Scientists have spent decades studying marine life using submarines, sonar, and other advanced technologies to map the ocean floor and observe its inhabitants. If a creature as large and powerful as Megalodon still existed, we would have encountered it by now. There would be undeniable evidence, sightings, sounds, or even attacks on ships. Yet no credible evidence supports the existence of a living Megalodon. Despite the scientific evidence, the myth of a living Megalodon persists. This ancient shark, which roamed the oceans millions of years ago, has captured the human imagination like few other creatures. The idea that such a massive predator could still be lurking in the depths is both thrilling and terrifying. But why does this myth endure despite the lack of concrete evidence? Why? Part of the answer lies in the power of the unknown. The ocean is a vast, mysterious place, with over 80% of it still unexplored. This leaves a lot of room for speculation and wonder. The depths of the ocean are dark and foreboding, a perfect setting for the imagination to run wild. The vastness of the ocean with its unexplored depths fuels our imagination. Every deep-sea expedition uncovers new species and phenomena, reminding us how little we truly know about the underwater world. This sense of mystery and discovery keeps the possibility of a living Megalodon alive in the minds of many. This creates fertile ground for stories and legends of sea monsters to take root. Ancient sailors' tales and old maps filled with monstrous sea creatures add to the lore. These stories have been passed down through generations, evolving and growing with each retelling. The Megalodon, with its enormous size and fearsome reputation, fits perfectly into these narratives. Pop culture also plays a significant role. Movies, books, and documentaries often portray Megalodon as a terrifying monster lurking in the shadows. These depictions are designed to entertain and thrill, but they also reinforce the idea that such a creature could still exist. Movies, books, and documentaries often portray Megalodon as a terrifying monster lurking in the shadows. These dramatic portrayals capture the public's imagination and keep the legend alive. The more we see these images, the more they become ingrained in our collective consciousness. These depictions, while entertaining, blur the lines between fact and fiction, contributing to the public's fascination with a living Megalodon. The combination of scientific mystery, historical lore, and pop culture sensationalism creates a perfect storm for the myth of the Megalodon to persist. And as long as the ocean remains largely unexplored, the possibility, however remote, will continue to captivate our imaginations. Sometimes sightings of large marine animals are mistaken for Megalodon. Giant squid, whales, and even large sharks can be intimidating when seen in the water, especially under poor visibility conditions. While these encounters can be startling, they are easily explained. The ocean is home to a diverse range of creatures, many of which are large and impressive in their own right. Although Megalodon is extinct, its legacy lives on. This prehistoric giant continues to fascinate and inspire us. It reminds us of the incredible diversity of life that has existed on our planet. Megalodon's story also highlights the importance of scientific inquiry. By studying fossils, DNA, and other evidence, we gain a deeper understanding of the natural world and our place within it. The evidence is clear. Megalodon is extinct. It no longer roams the oceans. While the idea of this massive predator lurking in the depths is thrilling, it is not supported by scientific evidence. However, the extinction of Megalodon does not diminish its impact on our collective imagination. It remains a powerful symbol of the incredible creatures that once ruled our planet and a reminder of the ever-changing nature of life on Earth.